Okay, useless. The car is off. Keys are in my hand. It's making that noise now even when the car is shut off. It makes that noise all the time. It used to only make that noise when the door opened. And here, you can climb in there because you're going to start it up. So now it makes that noise constantly. It hasn't killed the battery yet, so I don't know if that's going to affect the battery at all. And now the check engine light stays on. Those other two lights been on for a while. And turn on the hazards. Watch. When I turn on the hazard lights, the noise goes away. Oh, press the turn signal, please. Nope. There you go. Yeah, when I turn the turn signal on, the noise goes away also. Hey, check the brakes and the turn signals. I'm gonna look at the back of it, please.
Check.
When you press the brakes and the car brake lights come on.
Yeah, I'm on it already.
Well, turn the other turn signal off so the noise comes back.
What?
Press the brake lights. Brake lights work. Use the turn signals. Use the turn signal, Terrell. Terrell. Terrell.
What?
Use the turn signals, fool. Terrell. Use the hazards. Alright, do the same thing to the front, yeah? The turn signals and the hazards to the front. Cool. Good. Good. Shut off one second.
Shut the door.
Alright, so that's it. And now, is the sound still on?
Yeah.
And now the sound is still on, the car's off, all the lights are off. I don't know what's going on, so if you can help me out, appreciate you. Thank you. Bye.